Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the tops with the wrap over. This is the front pattern. Today I'll show you how to make a pattern for a top with wrap overs. First, I need to draw a line from the armhole to the bottom. The line should cross the center front, just like on the sketch. This is the line I need to draw, and this is the center front. Notice that the opening is not big. I'll make the line cross the center front just for about 3 centimeters. I'd better use a ruler. Now I can see that the line should start higher. I decided to draw along with a ruler because the fabric is striped, so there's a chance that there will be a grain. I want to make the side seam about 4 centimeters shorter. The pattern for the front is ready. I need to cut 2 such details. One detail will be under the other. The center fronts of the 2 details should match. The front is ready, so now we can move on to the back. You can see that there is a small part of the dart left. Don't pay attention to it. Wow, I look at the neckline and think, God, I will look pretty sexy in this top. Now I can move on to the back. I pin the center back to the fold. Next, I need to flare the detail. I remind you that the length of the item is 70 centimeters. I don't want to flare it too much, but I don't want it to be straight either. I want this top to make me look slim and beautiful. I need to open each cut for about 1.5 centimeters. I saw a chart on Dior website. It says that in winter, clothes are more important than bodies, and in summer, bodies are more important than clothes. I think that they get something wrong. At my age, clothes are always more important than body. I think that Dior has something to learn from me. The basic pattern is 7.5 centimeters shorter than the item should be. Now I can cut the detail. After that, I'll make a detail with the wrap over. I'm cutting out the flare detail. The shoulders are even in the front and the back details. I won't have any problems with them. I hate the books on how to fix mistakes. Don't make mistakes in order not to fix them. This is the front shoulder seam. The wrap over starts somewhere in the middle of the armhole. In the sketch it starts under the armholes, but in fact it can't be like that. The same thing with the back. On the back detail, I wanted to start a bit lower than on the front. Next, I need to measure and mark 3 centimeters to the right from the center back. I'm going to draw this line now. Be very attentive. Now I can cut this detail and make the side seam 4 centimeters shorter, just like the front one. When I realize how many different things I've already taught you, it makes me really happy. Flounces, wrap-overs, drapings, amazing. We still have a long, interesting journey ahead. I show you the sewing techniques which I use myself. I don't like time-consuming, complicated techniques. I prefer to work fast. Here are the details: the center back, the center front, the wrap over. The pattern is ready. I showed you how to make a pattern for a top with wrap overs on the front and on the back. This is how the pattern looks like now. One detail will be attached onto the other. Next time I'll cut, tag and try the item on. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Pakshti Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos and press the like and bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.